Yo, making gold, red or yellow red combo. Let's go. For the layer. Fresh. Spurigal. Next. For the leaks, guys. Fresh. From Choosy Valkyrie. Hindi ko alam pangalan na rin. Next, for the driver. For Infinite Takele. Ito yung pretty tight. So, let's combine. Not tight. Not tight. Not tight. Not tight. So, let's switch with lip spin. Perfect. Ole, ole. What? Nangyari? Yun. Oh, fresh. Oh, yung lip spin niya may konting tigas kaysa sa right spin. Baboy. Oh. So, balik na natin sa right spin. Fresh! Move on to the launcher. Fresh. Ito ang kanyang grip. Fresh na fresh. Next. Launcher. Tingin ko ito yung launcher mo. Tapos, alin man sa dalawa. Fresh na fresh. Tingin ko ito. Ay, pangit, guys. So, ito na lang. Next. Fresh! Fresh compress. Oh! Ang tight. Ah! Combine. At tatigas. Fresh! So, ito ay dito. Hindi. So guys, tingin ko fresh na to. Yan. So, sana nagustuhan niyo ang ating video. Bye!